Environmental justice means that every single one of us deserves clean air, safe water, and a healthy place to live. No exceptions. This year, over 600 students gathered at the Clark County Youth Leadership Conference to bring that vision to life. This event wasn't just a gathering, it was a powerful movement for change. Through hands-on workshops, students saw firsthand how even small actions can drive big impacts in their communities. One highlight was the bee house workshops, where students built and painted homes for native bees, pollinators essential to our food systems and natural spaces. By creating these bee houses, students were doing more than just learning. They were protecting the future of our environment. This event was a pivotal moment, empowering young leaders with the tools and knowledge to stand up for environmental justice. Together, they're taking steps to ensure a world where everyone can thrive. And with every small action, they're proving that real, lasting change starts here, with our communities working together.